Hey, what's up everyone? Yeah, I bought a HomePod mini and in today's video we are going to take a look at that and I will give my first impressions, how is the sound quality and everything. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video. And yeah, if you're interested in buying one of these, then be sure to check the link in description. I have found the best price for you guys and you can just buy it from Amazon. I have provided a link below so you can support the channel and buy from by buying from that link you can support the channel and get yourself a HomePod mini at the same time. So let's start. Here is the HomePod mini. Alright, so here is the box, and after opening the box, the first thing you are going to see is the egg-shaped beautiful HomePod mini. And if you will take out the HomePod mini, down here it is the cable, and if you will remove this cardboard type thing, after removing this, there is a adapter in here, and I have removed this already. So here was the adapter, and you have some paper stuff, HomePod mini, some regular paperwork. Oh wait, I thought it was the original HomePod. It looks like one on the photo, but it is not. So and you also get an Apple sticker. Woohoo! On iPhone 12, you don't get an on $100 HomePod mini. You get an Apple sticker. This is good. So this sticker is the same as the iPhone 10, 10s and iPhone 10 and all those devices stickers. So you can compare to your device. And this is a really lightweight speaker. I'm really worried about the performance and the audio quality. So let's test out the audio quality of this. And looks like a sock. This looks like a tennis ball. I was saying a soccer ball. This looks like a tennis ball, and let's test out the performance and speaker test. Let's do it. All right, so as Apple said, and I mean they said on their website, if we will bring our iPhone close, I have not connected to it. If we will bring our iPhone close to HomePod, it will start playing on that. Let's try this feature. So nothing is happening right now. It is supposed to play like this, but I seriously don't know why it is not playing. I don't know, I'm doing something wrong or what. Alright. So if I'll go in AirPlay settings, here you can see bedroom. I have set this to bedroom, and yeah, I have set this to bedroom on my other device. I have not set to this device, but it recognized this device, but it is not playing. What's wrong? Alright guys, so I got it. What you have to do is first of all ask Siri to do that, and if Siri didn't do that, then you have to try and connect to AirPlay. Then just connect to AirPlay, and after I did this, it took me some tries, but finally it's done. If okay, now I'll do the volume to the maximum. Let's see. Alright, so I think now you have got the idea of the sound of this beast. Like seriously, this is like so tiny. Look at the size, bro. It is, my hand is so much large. My hand is large, or this is so small. I seriously don't know, but look at this size. This is so small, man. This just looks like a ball, bro. Wow, this is small. And thinking about again, yo, here is some peel, and if I'll remove this, yo, we got an apple logo here. This is good. And if we will long press, you can see here is Siri. What's up, Siri?
I'm not sure I understand.
So yeah, Siri's a bit smarter in this, and compared to the older HomePod, the original HomePod, and of course I tested both of them in the store, and of course as we all know, the bigger one was a lot louder than this one, but for the price and for the size, I must say this is a really good steal. Like seriously, the sound quality of this is so good. I have a 3 BHK house, and I have put this in my bedroom, and as you just saw, I have put this in my bedroom, and if I'll just increase the volume to maximum, oh, like my house is just full of HomePod sound. In every room I can hear the sound of this. Now you know this is so loud. Of course, the you got the idea of the sound. I just tested it. You got the idea of the sound, but still I would recommend you guys to go in the Apple store and test the audio of this yourself, because this is a beast. Apple is Apple, and at the end of the day, Apple makes some of the best devices in the game, and even now in the audio game also Apple is one of the best. So that's it for today's video. I will be doing a big review, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notification if you're interested into this thing. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.